Hey guys, today, we'll try to check who liked you on Tinder without Gold. So if you guys are wondering how to check if somebody has already liked you, or if you want to go and just view the people who have liked you on Tinder without having Tinder Gold, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna go ahead and teach you guys how to have this and do this step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out just how. Alright you guys, so what we need to do first is to actually proceed with launching the Tinder application. Now what I want you guys to know about this is, Tinder actually has this feature, which is called the secret admirer feature on the Tinder application. And what this actually allows us to do is it allows us to view, or to just have a general idea of who has liked us on the Tinder application. And in order for us to come encounter with this specific Tinder feature, we just need to go ahead and swipe through the different people that we are currently seeing on the Tinder application. And as I was talking about a while ago, this is the specific feature that I was talking about, the secret admirer feature. So basically, whoever you choose from this for cards, you will actually, well, possibly match with them, since these people are affirmative that they have already liked you. Now since this is the secret admirer feature, of course, this is gonna be a secret. So which is why the cards are turned over and also have a question mark above them. But it's not just a secret, it's of course, as well as depicted in the second word, secret admirer. So it's a secret, but of course, these people definitely like you. So in this case, all we need to do is choose any card that we'd like to choose. And what I'm gonna go ahead and choose this one. Basically, we are sure that this person has liked us already. So we need to do is just go ahead and confirm. So just go ahead and proceed with liking them as well. And as you would notice, it is gonna be a match. So it's that easy guys, to proceed with using the secret admirer feature on the Tinder application. So that is all for this video guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and take care.